The 16-year-old stepbrother of Anna Kepner, who was killed aboard a Carnival cruise ship back in November, now being charged as an adult with first-degree murder and aggravated sexual abuse in her death. He's 16 years old, could face life in prison. What is the suspect's defense here?
That's going to be real difficult. They're going to try, I think, their best to just mitigate the circumstances here, because the case against him, as I understand it, we don't have a lot of facts released to us just yet. We're going to get those soon, I hope. But even when we understand that this was what they're calling a mechanical asphyxiation, apparently they believe he used an arm bar. That is not a quick death. That is a death that takes a significant period of time, and even past the point of when the person has lost consciousness. And now you add to that this new information revealed through the indictment that the sexual assault was involved. It's clearly falls within first-degree murder, both with the intent and under a felony murder scheme of charging this crime. Unless they can show that he was under some sort of mental duress, lost himself and had just snapped in that moment, I don't know what defense they really have.
Kepner family's not happy because this suspect has been out, aside from an ankle bracelet, right? But he's been out, and the ultimate charge is first-degree murder. Are you surprised that the court system allowed him to be out while all this transpired?
It is surprising, but you were also dealing with this bizarre situation in that they were charging him initially as a juvenile. And I think, I don't know what caused that delay from them finally making the decision to charge him as an adult. Certainly if he were charged up front as an adult, bail would have been set. It would have been significant. I doubt that he would have been out. And part of what was filed recently is a reconsideration. They're asking the court to take another look at that bond, because now that he's been charged with first-degree murder with other charges as an adult, it'll probably be set very high.
Josh Ritter, thanks for getting up with us. We appreciate it as always.